Hello guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to create art with Leonardo AI. So the best thing you have to do is to create a very good prompt. Once you've created a very nice prompt, now 60% or 70% of the job is done. Now all you have to do is to go to the app not app rather image generation section of Leonardo AI and input your prompt. Now the major differences between images are the model presets and the styles. So since we are creating a digital art, you have to choose something that will be similar to that, and the best model or preset for that is the concept art. Now we can choose the style we want to emulate, and I'm going to choose environment. Okay, realistic digital art of sim good. Since we are talking about mountain range, the best style to choose is the environment, and then we hit generate and wait for it to give us a very beautiful set of images. Now it has generated a very beautiful set of images for us. This is nice. Good. So now we can download the images, and we can also choose a different type of style we want. Let's say I want a cinematic concept. I can just click on generate and wait for it, and it has gone ahead to generate similar images, but cinematic, I guess. Yes, it's more cinematic. So this is how to generate images with Leonardo for your digital concepts. If you've enjoyed this video, please consider commenting below and leaving a like. Thank you very much, and do have a great day.